Shut up and sit down.
Yo, people, and welcome back to the Juice Review, and we are back with Untold. Yes, we are on Chapter 4. Yes, this is the last chapter. Now, if you've not caught any of the other ones from the Untold, we've done all the chapters. They are down in the playlist. Go and check them out. Now, Chapter 1 was a coconut and pineapple. Chapter 2 was like a Skittles. And Chapter 3 was a peach and passion fruit, which was really, really nice. And we are on to the final chapter. Now, all the way through, he's been telling like a little bit of a story. And I've needed my glasses on for all of it. Now, if you don't know who Untold is, and you do watch 3 Men and a Vape Show, it is actually Harley's Vape Mills Juice. Yeah. All the way through, we've been nice and honest with this. I would have told him if it was crap, but I've been really pleasantly surprised with all the flavours. Right, stick the glasses on. That make me look half intelligent. Chapter 4, Road to Ruin. With a deep breath, you turn to face your fate, chest out and ready to rule the day. Clutching a sweet and crisp apple in each hand, you run forth. And that's the final chapter. I'm wondering if he's going to have a chapter 5, 6, 7 and 8. You know, a little bit like Friday the 45th and all that, and Freddy's whatever. What have we got this on? We have got it on the 4's RDA with the Soul Keeper from Uwell. It's a semi-mechanical mod. Let's give it a vape. Oh, and I've also got some proper coils in here. Use Little Bro Vapes 10, gets you 10% off. Let's give it a vape and see what we think. It's a green apple, as he said. It's a green apple, and it's got like an apple sours to it. And that's got some ice behind it. It's got a right ice. It's one of them ices that hits you there. Plenty of vapor production, 70-30. So what you're getting is you're getting that green apple. And you know, like when you bit into that green apple, you sort of get the taste of the skin as well. You're getting that, and it's got sort of like an apple sours to it. And then right behind it, you're getting that ice. And it's a proper ice that hits you in your head. I don't think you'll be able to chain vape this. I can feel it. You know, like an ice cream headache is going to come on. I absolutely hate ice cream headaches. You know they're going to come on, but you keep eating the ice cream. That's really nice. I could vape that all day long. That is really, really nice. Like I said, it's a green apple. You can sort of taste the skin with it as well. Got sort of like an apple sours kick behind the back of it. And then the ice hits you. And the ice is properly in your head. You can proper feel it. Well, that's been another review by Little Bro. If you've liked the review, make sure you like, subscribe, and share. The subscribe button's in the corner. Give it a little press to get me to that new magic number. We are on the road to 3K, people. On the road to 3K. I'm also on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. I nearly forgot what else I say there. Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Go and hit me up, people. And there's one last thing to say. Keep them juices flowing. Bloody ice cream headache. Don't forget to check out my latest video. Also, don't forget to check out 3 Men and a Vape Show live at 8 PM every Wednesday. And also, if you've enjoyed the video, make sure you subscribe, ring that notification bell, and we'll catch you later.